In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare whole numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. In the first example, we're going to compare the number 4,872 to 4,873. Start by writing each number into the place value chart, lining them up by place value. Start with the greatest place value digit and compare the digits until you find the greatest place value where the digits are different. In this example, the ones place is the greatest place value where they're different, so we're going to compare the two digits in the ones place. The 2 in 4,872 is less than the 3 in 4,873, so 4,872 is less than 4,873. In the second example, we're comparing 67,300 to 67,300. Record each number in the place value chart, making sure to line up the digits by place value. Next, find the greatest place value where the digits are different. The digits in the 10,000s place are the same, the digits in the 1,000s place are the same, the digits in the hundreds place are the same, the digits in the tens place are the same, and the digits in the ones place are the same. Since all of the digits are the same, these two numbers are equal. So 67,300 is equal to 67,300.